Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the 12th question in exercise 6.3. Sides AB and BC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to the sides PQ and QR and median PM of triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So now let's first draw what is given to us. Two triangles. The first one is A, B and C. Now let's draw the median. This is AD for us. The second triangle is PQR. So PQR, its median is M. So PM, that is also drawn to us. Now let's list what is given and what to prove. So given is AD is median of triangle ABC. Let's list that. Then PM is actually median of triangle PQR. So that was given to us. The last statement was sides AB, BC and AD of triangle ABC are proportional to sides PQ, QR and median PM. So let's convert that into equation. So AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AD divided by PM. So this is also given to us. So let's see what we need to prove. So to prove is triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So let's start with the proof. See what is given to us. AD is median of triangle ABC and PM is median of triangle PQR. Let's convert that into mathematical equations. So which means BD or DB is equal to DC is equal to half of BC. Similarly, QM is equal to MR is equal to half of QR. So these are from the medians given. Okay, so that is the reason we are writing about this. And what is given to us is AB by PQ is BC by QR is equal to AD by PM. So this is also given to us. So in this equation, I'm going to modify this as AB by PQ. Now the BC can be rewritten as 2 times of BD because that's what we have written in the median. Similarly, the QR can be written as 2 times of QM is equal to AD. The last part I'm not touching, which is AD by PM of this proportionality. So the 2 and 2 we can strike out. So this is AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM is equal to AD by PM. Okay, so this tells that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQM using SSS similarity. So I'm writing the reason too. Now let's take the actual triangles in which we need to do it. So let's start there. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, what do we now know? Angle B will be equal to angle Q. Why? I'm marking this statement. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQM. So from there, I can say the angles are equal. So I'm cross-referring that. This also implies, and we should know that AB by PQ is equal to BC divided by QR. So this is the part of what is given to us. So I'm taking only the one part of the given. AB by Q is PQ is equal to BC by QR. Now that we have both of these facts, we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR using SAS similarity because we have two sides that are proportional and one angle that is given. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to this. So hence proved. In the next video, we will see how to solve the 13th question in this exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.